Entire families have been left homeless in Gambia's west coast region after an overnight windstorm leveled scores of houses and claimed at least 10 lives. The heavy rains, winds and flooding also damaged utility infrastructure, leaving many coastal urban areas without electricity or running water. More than 1,500 people are now displaced.
This footage is the condition of my house. The wind has entirely unroofed it. The back end of the house is completely pulled down as a result of the disaster. Where my students are lodged has also been partially damaged. The house is completely vacated. No single person lives there at the moment. We have all been displaced and taken shelter in different houses with our neighbors. Consequently, I am appealing to every philanthropist, be it an individual or an organization, to come to our aid in these trying times of our lives. Things are very difficult for me as the situation is beyond what I can handle. We are extremely in need of some building materials such as timbers and corrugated iron sheets for roofing. These are the most urgently needed as we speak. The destruction to the back end and inside of the house have now been repaired. Now the only things lacking are timbers and some corrugated iron sheets, which will cost me nothing less than $50,000 excluding the payment of carpenters. So I am terribly in need of help. My family is scattered around in the village, living in different houses with our neighbors. We only come together when it is time to take our meal. This is indeed a pathetic living condition.
ومن ستر مسلما ستره الله في الدنيا والآخرة والله في عون العبد ما كان العبد في عون أخيه. أخرجه مسلم.
The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever shields a Muslim, Allah will shield him in this world and the hereafter, and Allah will aid his slave so long as he aids his brother." So, brothers and sisters in Islam, let's help and support an AL-AOUNU foundation by donating massively in order for them to be able to help them less privileged who has been affected by this disaster in the Gambia, in order for them to have a home where they can also sleep. Please, you can support by donating through our PayPal account, or you can WhatsApp us through our WhatsApp number. You can find it below in the video you are watching currently. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.